In today's video, you will learn how to use the child's wallet in Child Care Seer. To get to the child's wallet, I go to the child profile page and then look in the top right corner in the finance section. Seer displays the current wallet balance, any unpaid charges on the account, and also any active auto loads or if the child has set up on Universal Autopay. Using the drop-down menu, I see four options: Load, Set up Universal Autopay, Set up Automatic Load, and Credit. As a note, parents will not see the credit option on the parent portal. To load the child's wallet, click the Load button or use the drop-down menu. First, I enter the amount I would like to add. Then I choose the payment type, either card, cash, or a related adult's wallet. Please note that adults will only have the option to use a card or their own wallet. If payment is to be made by check, we suggest using the cash option and entering the check number in the notes section. Next, I select the adult who is making the payment. If paying by card, I will need to select the card or add a new card by selecting Other. I add a note as needed and then click Load. The green check mark shows me that the load is successful, and I see the wallet balance has increased. After I load the child's wallet, I can use that money to pay for any charge or service for that child. You can set up Universal Autopay from a child's wallet. To learn more, please see our video on Universal Autopay. Using Auto Load will automatically add funds to the wallet on a regular basis or whatever schedule your customer would like. First, I select whether this automation should be weekly or monthly. Then I select the day of the week or the day of the month to make the payment. I then choose a start date and enter the amount to load. Please note that Seer requires a $20 minimum for auto loads. I then select the adult who will make the payments and finally the card to use. To add a new card, select Other. I click Save and the green check mark verifies it is active. In addition, I can see I have a new auto load added in the finance section. After an auto load is set up, I may access it by clicking the blue box in the finance section. Seer will direct me to the child's money tab and displays all scheduled payments for this child. I can pause, view, or delete the auto load using the action menu. I will now go back to the wallet. Credit allows a wallet to be credited from a daycare or to transfer money to an adult wallet. I select whether I am issuing the credit to the child's wallet, which comes from the daycare, or transferring to a related adult's wallet. If I am crediting the child's wallet, I select the amount, leave a note, and click Adjust. Again, the green check mark verifies it has gone through. If I transfer to an adult's wallet, I select the adult, the amount to transfer, and finally a note. I then click Adjust and look for my green check mark to verify that it has gone through. Now you know how to use the child's wallet in Child Care Seer. Thanks for watching.